Hey y'all, I'm going to be doing a couple of real short videos where I wind up getting to the final recipe, if that makes any sense. For years at the Lady and Sons, I served a pumpernickel sandwich made with pumpernickel bread and grilled asparagus, cheese, and purple onions. And you would not believe how many of those sandwiches got ordered over the years. Well, I'm working with our GM tomorrow, and I think that's one of the recipes that we're talking about putting back on our menu because it was so popular. So I'm going to start by making the homemade Thousand Island dressing. And I'm going to start with the mayonnaise, the ketchup, and to this, I'm just going to add the seasonings that I like. And let's see, this is dill relish. I'm going to drain some of the juice off because I don't want it watery. So, you can just eyeball this. If you want more ketchup, if you want it pinker, put more ketchup. Maybe a little less mayonnaise. This makes a good bit of dressing, y'all. Okay, so to this, I'm going to sprinkle it with a little garlic powder. Definitely some onion powder. Some lemon pepper. And remember that lemon pepper also has salt in it, so don't be fooled by that. And then I'm going to add some silly salt. And lastly, I'm going to add some dried parsley just to kind of pick it up. Just pick up that coloring. And the last thing I'm going to put in it is my boiled eggs. I do like boiled eggs in my Italian dressing. So let me see if I can find what I'm looking for. I like a little bit more relish, y'all, than what the recipe calls for. So that gives it a nice little twang. Let me see if that's enough. You can put as much as you want in it. All right. Now the last thing I'm going to put in is our deviled eggs. Boiled eggs. Sorry, I'm crazy. And Eddie just told me that I said I like to put what?
Eggs in your Italian dressing.
In my Italian dressing. This is not Italian dressing, y'all. It's Thousand Island. My little mind gets ahead of my mouth. Or my mouth gets ahead of my mind. Right? I'm sure y'all, that doesn't happen to y'all, does it? Does it, Teresa?
Always. I'm not even answering that one.
And listen, I'm not even going to ask Eddie because that don't happen either. I like this chopped up. Pretty fine. But by running it through my slicer first, it just helps give me a head start. I love homemade.
You sure you don't want to make Italian dressing today?
I make some Italian dressing, y'all. I just love Thousand Island dressing, but only if it's homemade, y'all. I'm not crazy about store-bought. So this is so easy to make. And so good. My mama used to make this, and she would give us a wedge salad using using iceberg lettuce and put it on our plate just with Italian dressing, and that was it.
I did. She did. Mom did.
Your mama did too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's pretty good. So I'm going to add a little bit more onion powder. Those two said it didn't need a thing. But like Teresa said, it just kills me not to add some. So a little bit more chili salt, and I think that will take it where I want it. And you actually, if you didn't have any onion powder, you could actually, chop up some onion very fine, and it would be delicious in here. That's really good. So if you're a hot person, you could even put some diced up pickled jalapenos in it, or fresh jalapenos. All depends on your taste. So this is the recipe that's going to start us on our way to that delicious asparagus sandwich on pumpernickel.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.